Hello, welcome back to Free Spirit Yoga. I'm Sally, and today is day 4 of the Samaritans 30-day yoga challenge. In today's session, we're going to be looking at opening up our bodies. In today's culture, and also as we're coming towards winter and it's starting to get colder, we can develop quite a closed body position. And not only is this not good for our physical health, it's not good for our mental health. If we have a closed body position, then we close ourselves off from connection with other people and with the world around us. But not only that, we close ourselves off to connection to ourselves. Studies have shown that the way that we hold and move our body has a direct influence on how we hold and move our mind. So if we have a closed body, we have a closed mind. So let's open ourselves up. Let's get started. We're going to start today's session in a seated position. So if you're more comfortable sitting on a cushion or a folded blanket, then please go grab one now. Also, if you prefer to sit with your legs out straight in front of you rather than cross-legged, that's also totally fine. Either way, sit with a straight back, and we're going to close our eyes and draw our focus inwards, our attention to our breath. At the moment, not trying to control or change our breath, just drawing our attention, our focus to the breath. Now we're going to start to control our breath, our pranayama practice. So inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling also through the nose. We're going to practice a 2-stage inhale. So on the first stage of the inhale, we're going to inhale into the chest, expand the chest. Then we're going to pause slightly for a couple of seconds. And then on the second stage, we're going to inhale more deeply, pushing our belly out as our diaphragm really contracts down. So we're really creating space in our chest for our lungs to fully expand. And then exhaling, drawing our belly right in. So that's first stage, fill the chest, pause. Second stage, imagine you're filling the belly, push the belly out. And then slowly exhale, drawing the belly in. Okay, now returning to your natural breath, slowly opening your eyes. Now we're going to practice a seated version of the cat-cow stretch that we have practiced a couple of times in the previous sessions. We're going to inhale And we're going to push the chest forwards and up, open the arms wide and look up to the ceiling. So really opening up our body, even open your fingers wide. And then exhale, we're going to round the back, tuck our chin in towards our chest and give ourselves a nice big hug. And inhale, open wide, really push that chest forwards, bring the arms back, look up towards the ceiling. And then exhale, round your back, tuck your chin, give yourself a hug. And again, inhale, really open up. And exhale, close. One last time. Inhale, open. And exhale, close. And now coming back to our starting position, nice straight back. Okay, now we're going to straighten our legs and bring our feet wide. We're going to practice what we call a dynamic spinal twist. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to twist to the left side, and as we twist, we're going to bring our right hand either to our foot if you can reach it with a nice straight back. Notice how I'm not rounding my back like that, nice straight back, or as far as you can reach comfortably down your left leg. We're bringing the left arm out behind us, keeping it straight and looking towards the hand. So that's as we exhale. Now we're going to inhale to the front, exhale to the other side. So now we're reaching with our left hand down our right leg, bringing our right arm out behind us, really reaching behind us with the right arm, looking towards the hand. Inhale back to the front and exhale back to the other side. Inhale to the front and exhale. Once more to each side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And inhale back to the front. Okay, now we're going to sit with our legs straight out in front of us. Our legs together, our feet together. And I'm just going to introduce you to a pose called staff pose. Now with staff pose, as I said, our legs are straight. Now we're really going to sit with a nice straight back, but we're going to lift the chest. We're going to imagine that we've got a string coming from our chest, pulling our chest up towards the ceiling. And we're looking just directly ahead of us. So chest is forwards and up, and our shoulders are back. Now, a lot of people can sit with their hands flat on the floor in this position. I've got really short little arms, so I still can't do that. Not sure I ever will be able to. But if you can sit with your hands flat on the floor, then do so. If, like me, you can't do that, you can make a fist and just rest on your fist. But the really important thing is to really lift that chest. This is called staff pose. Okay, now keeping that position in mind, keeping that lifted chest in mind, we're going to practice now a pose or a stretch called the half butterfly. We're going to bend the left leg, and we're either going to bring the sole of the foot onto the inside of the right thigh, or if you've got a bit more flexibility, you can bring the top of the left foot onto the top of the right thigh. Either way, we're going to take the left knee with the left hand and support the left foot with the right hand. We're going to inhale, bring the knee up, exhale, push the knee down. Remember, keep that chest lifted. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Just gently inhale, exhale. Okay, now the same on the other side. Okay, so remember either the sole of the foot on the inside of the thigh, or if you can, lifting the foot up onto the thigh so the top of the foot is against the thigh. Support the right knee with the right hand. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. That is half butterfly. Now we're going to practice the full butterfly asana. We're going to bring the soles of the feet together and bring the heels in as close towards your body as you can. Your knees are coming down towards the floor. We're going to interlock our fingers around the feet. If that's difficult for you, then you can just place your hands around the ankles. Either way, we're going to remember that chest lift. Push the chest forwards and up. So we're sitting up as straight as we can. So as well as feeling a stretch in your hips, you'll feel a stretch across the top of your shoulders. Breathe slowly and deeply. This is the butterfly asana, the butterfly pose. Good. And release. Now we're going to come into tabletop position. Okay, so remember that's on all fours. And we're just going to practice a twist. So we're going to inhale and raise our left arm up towards the ceiling, keeping our pelvis as level as we can, looking up towards the hand. And then exhale down. Now the same with the right. Inhale, the hand up, reaching up towards the ceiling, looking up towards the hand. Exhale, once more on each side. Inhale, the left arm up. And exhale. Right arm, inhale. And exhale. Good, we're coming towards the end of our session now. Just going to practice a modification of the Camel's Pose. So we're going to come and stand on our knees with our knees about hip distance apart. We're going to place our hands in the small of our back. Now we're going to keep the thighs, the hips pushed forward as we lift the chest, push the chest forwards and up, and then bring our head back to look up at the ceiling. This is a modification of the Camel Pose. And release. Relax. Okay, now we're coming into Savasana, our relaxation pose now at the end of our session today. So remember we're coming to lay on our backs on the mat with our feet slightly apart, about the width of the mat, our arms out, slightly away from the side of our body with our palms facing up to the ceiling. Close your eyes and just completely relax. Focus on your breath. Stretching your arms. And then bending your knees, rolling slowly over onto one side and gently pushing yourself up to a seated position. Thank you very much for joining me again. This was day 4. Okay, so join me tomorrow for day 5. If you haven't sponsored me or donated money yet to the Samaritans, please go and do so. I've set up a Just Giving page now as well. It's in the link in the comment. The link is in the comments below. Okay, see you tomorrow. Have a good day.